Dr. Neha Deshpande from Nagpur. Astigmatism, a friend of you, SICS, a tool to reduce high astigmatism. Dr. Neha, please share your screen.
Can you see my screen, sir? Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you. At the outset, I would like to thank MSICS for giving me this opportunity. And so I'm presenting astigmatism, a friend or foe. So cataract is a refractive surgery. Astigmatism, either pre-existing or surgically induced, can be a foe. But if you understand your foe, then you can turn it into your friend. So what are the 3 steps which are needed to do this? First, calculate your risk. Calculate the pre-existing astigmatism. My method is to use multiple instruments to calculate the astigmatism. Know your strength and weaknesses. Calculate SICS. Now, SICS needs to be calculated for superior incision, superotemporal incision, as well as temporal incision. We also need to calculate it for 3 types of incision, like chevron, frown, or lazy frown, what I call it as, and straight with back cuts. It is different for different incisions. And finally, we have to do a detailed surgical planning and take a deep dive. I'm going to present just 2 or 3 cases. So 73-year-old, 93 NS3 cataract with just 1.5 diopter of against the rule astigmatism, classic chevron, E-shaped tunnel, and SICS, which was induced by about 0.78 with flattening of the horizontal meridian. We are getting excellent uncorrected visual acuity, which is 6.6. This is case number 2. High myopic patient, 60-year-old with NS4 cataract in one eye. And this is what I was trying to say. Whenever you are, if you use more than one instrument, like I use autokeratometer, optical biometer, manual keratometer, as well as I have topographer. So in that, the numbers will be varied. Then this number is different, 43.10 and 44.29, they are different. But the astigmatism amount is going to be same. Now here, actually, I tried phaco, but my phaco failed because of the density of the cataract. So I decided to convert this into an SICS. The planning was from the beginning that if the phaco fails, the SICS can be converted. So scleral incision was taken. I prefer to convert straight incision with back cuts so that it becomes very easy for me to construct the tunnel. Whenever we are converting from phaco to SICS, it has to be from the phaco tunnel itself and then extend into laterally and make pockets. Very, very important thing is that whenever we are dealing with very dense cataract, the pockets have to be very good. When we are entering, the entry has to be from the, again, from where we have entered for the phaco. And finally, I'm not going to share the complete surgery, but the outcome is always good. Now, again, here SIE induced was very high because it was a straight back cut and quite close to the limbus. It was 1.2. But what was important is that whatever 2.5 diopter of astigmatism which was there, I was able to reduce it to -1. This is third case, deep socket, dense cataract, the nightmare for any phacosurgeon, and very mild against the rule astigmatism. So this is what I call as a lazy frown, because here more than astigmatism, what is important is that I'm taking out the nucleus. Sadly, at that time, I was not knowing about this Nair technique. I would definitely like to master it. But till that time, I had to actually go ahead and, take this nucleus out in a one single setting. So again, tunnel dissection was done. As the nucleus was very dense, when the nucleus was coming out, there was iris prolapse. I just want to make just one mention. Don't handle iris too much. Let it be there. Handle your, try to maneuver all the maneuver should be done around the iris. And whenever the surgery ends, then reposit the iris. And then if you feel that tunnel needs to be sutured, suture it. If not, you can just leave it like that. So here again, SIA was higher, almost up to 1.8 diopter. But what I induced was a withdrawal astigmatism and patient was again happy. So this is what my flowchart goes, how to handle the astigmatism. Finally, the take-home message, if higher astigmatism, don't be sad. Use your calculated experience to reduce it. Very meticulous data collection and calculation is needed. And also a skill to do SICS at different sites with different methods is important. Finally, astigmatism can be your veritable friend. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you very
Dr.
much.
Neha, for the wonderful presentation.